rows and columns rather than paragraphs to break down specific data into a quickly scannable layout. Tables are generally used to communicate information to the reader of the document easily. In tables, the data is arranged in rows and columns. Creating table in Word is very easy. There are many ways in which we can create a table. For example, here we have a paragraph on religion and the writer of the document is trying to convey as to how many people out of the total population in the world follow which religion. One by one, let's see the various methods to insert a table. The table command is in the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab. Before we insert a table, the one thing that we have to take care of is where our cursor is. The position where the cursor is in our table is the position where the table will be inserted. So, if the cursor is in the beginning of the document, the table will be added right at the beginning of the document. We want a table to be inserted below this table. So, let's click here. In the table group, we have a single table icon with a drop-down arrow. Click on the icon. The first method that we can use is the table tool method. You can see these square boxes here. These are used to insert the table. Take your mouse pointer over the first box. You will see in the document a one-by-one table is added. That is, a table that contains one row and one column. If we go horizontal in the right direction, the number of columns will increase, and if we go in the downward direction, the number of rows will go on increasing. Take your mouse pointer to the next box and you will see that one more row is added. Pull your mouse pointer down and now we have a table that has 4 rows and 4 columns. To insert a table as shown above, we require 4 columns and 6 rows. So, pull the mouse pointer to the right till we get 4 columns and pull the mouse pointer down till we get 6 rows. You can see here it is written we have a 4 by 6 table. Don't move your mouse pointer and click the left mouse button. This will add the table to our document. When we insert a table, the cursor will automatically appear in the first cell of the table. We can just start typing the data in the first cell. Let's type 5 largest religions. To go to the next cell, there are a number of ways. You can either take your mouse pointer to the next cell and click the left mouse button, or just press the tab key. We can even use the arrow keys. Up and down arrow keys will take a cell up or down. Pressing the enter key will not take you a cell down, it will just increase the width of the column. Press Ctrl Z to undo the change. Let's see the next method to add a table to a document. But first we have to place the cursor at the position where we want the table to be inserted. Click outside the table and press the enter key. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the table drop-down menu and click on the Insert Table option. This will open an Insert Table dialog box. In the table size group, we have to set the number of rows and columns. We want 4 columns. Click inside the number of columns text box, delete 5 and type 4. We want a total of 6 rows. Click inside the number of rows text box, delete 2 and type 6. Now that we are finished giving the input for number of rows and number of columns, click on the OK button. Now let's go to the next method to insert a table. First, we have to place the cursor. Click outside the table and press enter. Now we have the cursor on the new page. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the table drop-down arrow and choose the Draw Table option. You will see that mouse pointer is converted into a pen. Take the pen to the appropriate location. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer. You will notice a dotted box starts to appear. When you let go of the mouse button, the box appears. Now we have to add the rows and columns. Take your mouse pointer over the border of the box, click and hold the left mouse button and drag it down. When we leave the mouse pointer, a column will be added. Let's add 2 more lines. For drawing the rows, the procedure is the same. Take your mouse pointer over the edge, click and hold the left mouse button and drag it to the right. This will add the rows. Well, if you want to erase some of the lines in the Draw Borders group, click on the erase icon. You can see that the mouse pointer is converted into an eraser symbol. Now, if you click on any line, that particular line will be deleted. Or, if you click and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer, a red box will form and all the lines that cross the red box will be deleted. Press the Escape key. Let's see the next method. Click on the Insert tab, click on the table icon, click on the Excel spreadsheet option. This will insert an Excel worksheet. You can see that the ribbon that we see now is of Excel. This is useful if we want to perform some calculations. When we click off the spreadsheet, we again are back to our normal screen. Press the Enter key to go to the next paragraph. Let's see the last option. Click on the Table drop-down menu. Take your mouse pointer over the Quick Table option. This will open another contextual menu. Word provides us with many predefined tables that we can use. The first few are calendars. As we scroll down, we have a few more options. Click on the Tabular List option. This will insert a new table. In the next video, we will see all other functions regarding modifying a table. This concludes our tutorial on inserting tables.